I want to set up my game so that I lose if the shark hits me. Right now, when my sub bumps into the shark, all that happens is I get kind of bounced away, but I don't lose any health and the game continues. Well, we can fix that really easily using the UME toolkit. If I click on my shark and I go over in the inspector, I can go to the very bottom, click add component and type in UI. I want to get a UI trigger. This is our UI trigger where we can actually decide what the behavior will be. Under type rather than score, I'm going to set it to lose. I lose if the shark touches me. What's the activation tag? This means what has to touch the shark in order to set off this trigger. Well, it's the player. My submarine needs to touch the shark. And I can even put in a message. I think I'm going to put in ouch. I also need to just check and make sure that my collider is set to is trigger. My collider is going to be used as the trigger for this function. Let's test it out and see if it works. Oh, ouch is right. Game over.